In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Smartsheet. Creating groups is a great way to manage permissions, share sheets with multiple people at once, and keep your workspace organized, especially if you work with teams or departments that need the same access. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to set up a group quickly and confidently. First, open Smartsheet and then make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage groups, usually an admin or group admin. Once you're on the main Smartsheet screen, look toward the lower left corner of the interface for your profile icon. This is typically represented by your initials or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Group Management. This is where all your group-related settings and tools live. Go ahead and click Group Management. If you don't see this option, it likely means your account doesn't have the right permission level, and you may need to contact your Smartsheet administrator. After you click Group Management, you'll be taken to the Groups page in the admin area of Smartsheet. Here, you'll see any existing groups that have already been created. To set up a new one, look for the button that says Create Group. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on Create Group to open the group creation window. Now you'll fill in the details for your new group. Start by entering a clear descriptive group name, such as Marketing Team, Project Managers, or Finance Reviewers. Choose something that makes it obvious who should be in this group and what it will be used for. If there's a description field, use it to add a short explanation of the group's purpose. This can help other admins understand how and when to use it. Next, add members to the group. You can typically do this by typing in their email addresses or selecting them from your organization's user list. Take a moment to double check that you're adding the right people, especially if this group will have access to sensitive sheets or reports. Once you're satisfied with the name, description, and group members, review everything one more time. When you're ready, click the Create button to finalize the group. Smartsheet will create the group and you'll see it listed on your Groups page, ready to be